Hey ladies, welcome back to Odarla. I am back and today I am coming to you all with a tutorial on how I achieve this Jayda inspired top knot bun. Stay tuned. Hey y'all, hey. So we want to start out with your hair and you want to fly iron it. You don't want to put too much heat, but just enough to where you have your real hair matching the extensions that you're going to add in. And I have fine hair, so once over with the flat iron is enough. Okay, so we got that done. And I'm just combing my hair up to my desired ponytail. And this is the hair I used. I had some leftover tracks, nothing major. You want to start parting the front of your hair where you want your bang, and you just want to even out those parts. I did use a little more heat from my kitchen, y'all, because, y'all know that's the toughest part of our hair. This is optional, though. Now get your scrunchie, rubber band, preferably a scrunchie, and you just want to put your hair through as many times until you have no more room. We want a secure ponytail, not too tight, but secure. Okay, if you all are familiar with Jayda, y'all know her baby hairs be on 10, okay? I don't have real baby hairs with my sideburns, so we're gonna make some, as you can see what I'm doing now. Now I'm going in and laying some more baby hairs. Again, this is optional, but with Jayda, we know she goes baby hair crazy, and it just makes the style pop. Now grab your tracks. And we're going to start to wrap our real hair just to secure it with a bobby pin. And now we're going to get our track and start wrapping. And again, secure that first track with a bobby pin so as you're wrapping, it's not slipping. Like so. So I did this in normal speed just so you can get the hang of exactly what I'm doing. I'm just wrapping this track all around until I have no more track left. And towards the end, you will see, once I get to the end of the track, I secure it with another bobby pin. Now back to these sideburns. I just got some mousse to lay them in place, and I'm going to apply my scarf to seal the deal. So recording this video, I lost footage of me wrapping my bun. So this is how we're going to start. First, you part two sections of your hair. The first section, you're going to twist it a little bit and start wrapping. And the twist just forms that bun. You're just forming the shape of the bun. It's optional, I guess, but I noticed when I didn't twist it, I didn't get that look I was going for. So once you get to the end, you can stop twisting and you just want to create a straight wrap. And you'll see why at the end, okay? And you secure this with a bobby pin. You're definitely going to need bobby pins for this style. Now the second section, you don't have to wrap. And I figured that out with trial and error. I did this so many times, you guys. Yeah, so as you can see, I'm not wrapping. I'm just forcefully making the structure of the bun. It's easier done than said, kinda. But y'all see what I'm doing. Just keep rewinding as many times as you can. Okay? And you can actually, you know, as you can see, play with the top of the bun so you can get that structure you're looking for. And again, you place another bobby pin to secure. Time to lay the tracks. So you only need 2 tracks per bang. And you want to measure the length of the track you need. Lay the track on there. Comb if necessary. And you repeat this 3 more times. 1 more for this bang and 2 more for the next. The first go around, I used my flat iron to get that bump at the top. And then I used my wand to finish. The second go around, I just used my flat iron throughout the entire bang. And I used a, what do you call this? A razor to just cut down that bang to get it to my desired length. And you're going to repeat the same steps for your second bang. Ooh, y'all know how we always got that favorite side? This one was my favorite. And voila, put on my lashes, my coats, and a smile, and we got it. I hope you all got everything you needed out this video. I think this came out super cute. And please like, comment, subscribe, and see you guys soon.